done. Hey, so you're going to Pizza Expo. That's pretty cool.
Yes,
You
I am.
excited about that? Excited about that?
It's hard to not be excited about it. I mean, it's just such a great time. But it's funny. I probably look forward to different things than a lot of people.
Okay.
I'm always interested in finding the new and interesting angle that, like last year, I got an email before Expo from somebody, a PR person for Prime Roots,
Yep.
the vegan meat
Yep.
company. I was like, they wanted me to interview one of the owners, the founders. I was like, vegan meat, man. It's not fun. And then I started reading about it. I was like, wow, this stuff is made of koji. That's really fascinating because I'm kind of a fermentation geek.
Yep.
Once you start to realize that fermentation is what makes pizza dough so good, if you give it the time, you start to look at other angles on fermentation and where you can benefit in your cooking. I was like, I will go with an open mind and I will do this interview. And they were fantastic. The product was fantastic. Some of it even, looks and handles like meat.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So yeah, it was, and the pepperoni tastes like actual pork pepperoni.
Yep.
And that was, I think one of my highlights of being there. It's just getting that really interesting inside scoop on stuff that people haven't heard about yet, and I blog about
Right.
it.
Right. Right. So you turned into vegan pizza. That's your
Oh, no, no, no.
no. Okay.
No,
I'm
no.
just I
Yeah,
say it in
it's
jest.
really expensive, and if you mail order it, your $20 order becomes $100 kind of
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. I mean,
Yes.
I have yet to have a vegan pizza that, you know, is comparable to a regular pizza. And I'm still searching for that, and I hopefully I will find it, but
Well, it's
as
this
of yet.
is I so far I have not had a vegan pizza. I had their vegan meat products, which were totally convincing, but
Hmm.
I still had it on a pizza with, mozzarella. It wasn't
Yep.
something pretending to be
Oh, okay.
mozzarella.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
and that
Right.
helped.
Yeah. The vegan pizzas I've had were it was cheese made out of beans and I don't know. It just kind of left me in left field, but I guess I'm searching. Yeah, the searching for the perfect vegan pizza. So,
Well, and the perfect gluten-free pizza. I've
perfect. See, there you go. There you
virtually
go.
given up doing it because for me, I mean, I don't need it, and I keep trying to make a vegan, I mean, vegan, a gluten-free
Gluten
pizza
free.
dough
Yep.
that it is appetizing and convincing and simple. And it never has worked out for me. It's a
Yeah.
construction project because you need the glue that holds the pizza together, and
Right.
that's what
Right.
gluten is.
Right. Again, myself as well. I have yet to find gluten free that I thought was really it was okay, but just not comparable to a regular regular
Yeah.
slice. So
My advice to anybody who needs gluten-free crust is to go buy it,
yeah. Okay.
you know,
Great
because
advice. Great advice.
it typically the stuff that I found commercially tastes far better than anything I've ever been able to make.
Okay.
So,
And there we go, buddy, because that's going to be a clip right there. That's going to be one video in and of itself. That was great. That was great. Now let's get started.